The Humvee, or High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, revolutionized military transport. Produced by AM General, it became a ubiquitous sight across the globe. AM General is a significant player in the defense industry. The company focuses on designing, engineering, manufacturing, and supporting specialized vehicles. Its primary customer is the United States government, particularly the Department of Defense. AM General's history is closely tied to the evolution of military vehicles. The Humvee was designed to replace a variety of older platforms. These included the Jeep and other light trucks. The Humvee offered greater versatility and mobility. It quickly became a workhorse for the U.S. military. The vehicle gained prominence during the Gulf War in 1991. Its ability to navigate desert terrain was crucial. The Humvee's success inspired civilian versions, known as Hummers. However, the original design proved vulnerable to modern threats. Improvised explosive devices, or IEDs, posed a significant challenge. The U.S. military responded by up-armoring certain models. Ultimately, the Humvee was replaced in frontline service by the MRAP and JLTV. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle program selected the Oshkosh LATV. AM General continues to manufacture vehicles for various applications. The company's product portfolio includes tactical and commercial vehicles. They also provide engineering and logistics support services. AM General maintains multiple facilities across the United States. These locations are critical for manufacturing and research and development. A major facility is located in Mishawaka, Indiana. This plant is responsible for vehicle assembly and production. The company also has a presence in Livonia, Michigan. This location focuses on engineering and program management. AM General has a long-standing relationship with the U.S. military. The company has delivered hundreds of thousands of vehicles. These vehicles have served in numerous conflicts and operations. AM General contributes significantly to the defense industrial base. The defense industry is a vital part of the U.S. economy. It provides employment for millions of Americans. AM General employs a diverse workforce of engineers and skilled workers. These professionals are dedicated to designing and building high-quality vehicles. The workforce includes veterans and individuals with specialized expertise. The company invests in training and development programs. These programs help employees stay at the forefront of technology. AM General's revenue is substantial, reflecting its role in the defense market. While exact figures fluctuate, the company generates hundreds of millions annually. The company adapts to changing military needs. This adaptability ensures AM General's continued relevance. They are now focusing on electric vehicle technology. This is a significant change to keep pace with current needs. The vehicles will need to perform just as well, with less reliance on fossil fuels. AM General's products are critical for national defense. The company's vehicles and services support military operations worldwide. AM General remains a key partner for the U.S. military.